Deep in the emerald shade, I hear the earth call out my name. Claire's voice like a whisper, washing away the dust and rain. A 2-day journey where time begins to slow. We kick off our shoes, letting the ancient rhythms flow. Learn to be grounded, feel the soil beneath your feet. Like an old oak reaching down where the heart and mountain meet. In that stillness, find the balance you've been searching for. Hold your breath, find your strength, and open up the door. Trees like a long lost child. Stay grounded, stay light, hear your heart beat strong. In the forest's embrace is where we all belong. Spirit of its own, rooted in love, finding the true self.